Monday, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another non-phone healthcare work from home job. I know from the comments everyone likes the non-phone healthcare, but if you are looking for something specific, feel free to leave that in the comments because I'm always reading that and keeping those in mind when I am searching for job leads to share in case I come across something I know it's something my viewers are looking for. But we will not waste any time. We will just dive on in. Today's job lead is from the health insurance company United Health Group. They are looking for an insurance follow-up representative. Now, this is nationwide in the United States, working from home remote. One thing about United Healthcare that I want to start off the bat by saying, they provide the computer equipment for you, and they also provide internet access for you. So you do have to live in an area where you can get the United Healthcare high-speed internet access, but they provide internet and computer for you, so all you have to have is yourself. So this is perfect for people, and this company is perfect for people who don't have a home office setup but want to work from home. They can get you all set up and ready to go. But they are looking for someone to be responsible for following up on claims. It's a full-time position. They want someone to work Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m., and you'll be reviewing, analyzing, and resolving outstanding or denied claims that have been submitted for reimbursement. You'll identify, document, and communicate any root causes or trends of recurring denials. You'll contact payers regarding billing discrepancies, and you'll research delinquent accounts successfully. Now, you might also have to work some incoming correspondence, such as payer letters and additional information requests. Some hospitals and providers submit medical records to be reviewed. This does not require any kind of college degree or medical training. It only requires a high school diploma or GED. They would like someone who has 2 years of related insurance follow-up experience, someone who has knowledge of payer policies and procedures, and you have to have a dedicated workspace in your house where you can shut the door and that can be private. On top of providing your computer and internet for you, United Healthcare also pays very well. This position is anywhere from $16 an hour all the way up to $25 an hour. Make sure you are negotiating if you have experience and skills, because pay is always dependent on location and experience, and $25 an hour is very high paying for a healthcare follow-up job. That is $1,000 a week, so please make sure you are negotiating a salary when they offer you a job after the interview. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.